In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retweet messages on Twitter using Hootsuite in Chrome. First things first, let's get started by opening up the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection as we dive into this process because a stable connection will make everything smoother and more efficient. Once you've fired up Chrome, head straight to the Hootsuite website. If you have it bookmarked, it'll be even quicker. Hootsuite is a powerful tool for managing all your social media accounts in one place, so it's a great place to start. If you're not already logged into your Hootsuite account, you'll need to enter your credentials. That's your registered email and password. Remember, keeping your credentials secure is important, so only enter them on trusted devices and browsers. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Hootsuite dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your social media streams. For today's task, we're focusing on navigating to the Twitter stream in your dashboard. On the left side or wherever your streams are configured, you should see an option for Twitter. Click on it, and this will open up your Twitter stream, displaying all the tweets from the accounts you're following. Next, you should scan through your Twitter stream to find the particular tweet you'd like to retweet. Whether it's a piece of news, an insightful post, or something amusing, retweeting is a great way to share content you find valuable with your own followers. Take your time to read through and ensure it aligns with the message or content you usually post. Once you've identified the tweet you're interested in, move your mouse just below the tweet where you'll see a row of icons. These icons are interactive features of the tweet, including the retweet icon, which generally looks like two revolving arrows. This icon is your key to retweeting. By clicking on this retweet icon, you're initiating the process of sharing this tweet with your followers. Here's where you have a little creative freedom. Hootsuite gives you the option to add a comment to your retweet. This can be a personal touch or additional context you think is necessary for your audience. If you decide not to add anything, that's fine too. Sometimes the tweet speaks for itself. Finally, once you're satisfied with your retweet and any comment you've added, simply confirm the action. You should have a button on your screen to complete and send the retweet, and just like that, you've successfully expanded your Twitter interaction through Hootsuite. Retweeting is a simple yet effective method to engage with content and share it with your followers effortlessly. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy tweeting with Hootsuite!